This is the community of American truck drivers. The videos we post here aim to help all the truck drivers. 15 videos of bad moments on the road. I'm very surprised FedEx didn't lose it completely. Video number 14. Amarillo, Texas truck flip over. Driver is okay. Video number 13. Feel free to tell me your opinions, but to me it mostly points towards the car's fault. I'm sure the truck driver on the right was going the speed limit and the truck in the left lane did use his turn signal. The car was in too much of a hurry to get past and wasn't paying enough attention. I just hope he has good car and medical insurance. Video number 12. This vehicle was reported stolen out of Truman and began driving very erratically as soon as he saw officers in his area. Several downtown vehicles and businesses sustained damage as a result of the suspect's reckless behaviors. Video number 11. Video number 10. The terrifying moment that a truck overturned on a ramp in downtown Louisville, Kentucky, was caught on dash cam. In the video, you can see that a semi-truck that emerges on the right side of the screen appears to be traveling at a high rate of speed moments before the driver loses control and the truck topples over, sending up a shower of sparks as the truck slides on the interstate. Luckily, the truck driver wasn't hurt in the crash. Video number 9. Dallas, Texas, no info on why he was running.
Oh shit! What the fuck?
Video number 8. Video number 7. Video number 6. Swift drives in action. Video number 5. Oops. Video number 4. Video number 3.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
It's always a Swift truck. They always fuck up. Where's the truck? Oh, there it is. Oh god. Damn Swift drivers.
Video number 2.
Holy fuck. Ouch. On today's episode of How Fucked Up Is Fucked Up. That's fucked up. And that's fucked up.
Video number 1.